Hey guys, Tyler with Analytive here, and I am actually in Boulder right now getting ready for a client meeting that I'm heading into. But I want to take a minute and talk about a concept that I've been thinking a lot about over the past couple weeks, and it's authenticity. So, like, how do you be authentic, right? How do you come across as authentic? So here's what happened is about like a week ago, I was with a bunch of friends and we were at basically a conference or an event, and the host of the event invited a bunch of speakers to come and talk about their experience. And these are people that you would call successful, right? They run successful businesses, real estate, all that. But the problem was you could feel in the room that as all these people were giving their stories, that they weren't actually connecting with the audience. That the audience wasn't actually connecting or engaging with what they were saying. And primarily that they didn't just feel authentic, right? They didn't feel genuine. And I was trying to figure out why that was, right? Because these were really kind people, really generous people. And here's the issue, is that these folks focused exclusively on their successes, right? So they told all the times about how the things that they had done had worked, right? And there was one exception. There was one lady who was very vulnerable and talked about like some of the failures that she had, right? But for all these other people, they talked about their successes, and so they only talked about what was working for them. The problem with that is when you only talk about what works, you disconnect from your audience. I see this so often with big names in just about anything. They talk about, oh, I've been on CNN or CNBC or some of these other big brand things, and that's fine. Like, you want to build some credibility, that's useful, but you also want to connect with your audience. And the problem is when you aren't vulnerable and you don't share your failures, you're not connecting with your audience. For me, and I have a podcast about this I just released, but like some of the most challenging times in my life when I was starting the business, when I was trying to grow the business, those failures are what make me who I am, right? They're the things that launched me to where I am today. They're what make me authentic. So if you're trying to be more authentic in your communication, it's actually about sharing failures, not successes. So anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.